Feeling foggy? These herbs can help clear your mind, and I'll show you how to make them into a tasty tea blend. Whether you're working, homeschooling, or just trying to stay sharp, certain herbs support clarity and focus naturally. Today I'll share the best herbs for the brain, and we'll make a simple tea blend with peppermint, rosemary, ginkgo, and sage. First, we need to head out into the greenhouse and clip some fresh rosemary. If you ever find your mind hitting the wall around 2 or 3 in the afternoon, you are not alone, my friend. That midday fog seems to creep in just when there's still too much left to do in the day. From homeschooling lessons to preparing dinner and keeping the household running smoothly, mental clarity isn't just a luxury, it is a necessity. Over the years, I've come to love peppermint as a natural pick-me-up in those sluggish hours. It's bright and refreshing and somehow gives me just enough clarity to push through the rest of the day. I used to grab a bottled tea with mint and rosemary, which surprised me with its herbaceous twist, a blend I didn't expect to enjoy, but absolutely became one of my favorites. Now I opt for a caffeine-free loose-leaf tea blends I can brew at home, and of course make my own blends right in our apothecary here, like we are going to do today. The best reasons to choose natural focus remedies like herbal tea would be because they are caffeine free, so there's no jitters, there's no sleep disruption. You get this gentle clarity rather than the sudden chocolate clarity you might get when eating chocolate, and then it's a boom and bust and leaves you tired. Herbs like rosemary and peppermint support not just the mind but digestion and mood also. Taking 10 minutes in your day to sip a purposeful tea blend can be a really grounding in a busy day. It can be that simple, calm moment. You can even enjoy it with your children. Supporting brain health with herbs is one way to invest in your future focus. It gives you longevity down the road. Staying mentally present also helps us better love and serve our families. We often get distracted with social media and screens, and sitting down or blending a cup of tea with a loved one can really just be that perfect moment. Now that we have our rosemary harvested, we're going to head into the harvest kitchen and work on blending our tea. But first we need to gather the rest of our ingredients. So first up on the list is peppermint. Peppermint is an invigorating and refreshing herb. It has compounds like menthol that may support alertness and cognitive function. It also helps to soothe the digestive tract, which can benefit the gut-brain connection. Did you all know that our guts are connected to our brains and the other way around? We want to make sure we take care of both. Peppermint's aroma alone can help lift mental fog. It's like candy canes. I don't know, those are my favorite. My mood all of a sudden perks up and I feel happier just by the smell of candy canes. It could also be that I love Christmas. Next up on the list is that rosemary that we gathered from the garden. Rosemary has long been associated with memory and clarity. It contains antioxidants such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which may help support overall brain health. Diffusing or sipping rosemary tea may gently awaken the senses. Next up on the list is gotu kola. It's traditionally used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. It's considered a calming nervine and cognitive tonic in those medicines. It's believed to support memory and concentration and to nourish the nervous system function over a longer period of time. If any of you mamas are expecting, make sure that you do not use the gotu kola in this recipe, as it's not recommended for use during pregnancy. Next up on the list is lemon balm. A member of the mint family, has traditionally been used to calm nervous tension. I always say lemon balm brings calm while gently supporting focus. It's especially helpful for busy minds that need softening before we can get that nice clear view. Last but not least is Tulsi, also known as holy basil. Tulsi is an adaptogen, an herb that helps the body adapt to stress. By gently lowering stress levels, it may help sharpen focus and support more mental clarity. So you can see we have some super fabulous herbs here in this blend. We're going to go ahead and start mixing them together. The peppermint, the rosemary, and the lemon balm will act as those nutritive herbs in this blend. Tulsi will act as our catalyst herb. If you're not sure what I'm referring to, it's part of our tea triangle that we teach over on our blog at growcreatesip.com/blog. Just look for tea triangle. You could even Google it. It will probably come up there. So now that we have our tea blended, it's time to put them in our mugs and pour water over the top and put the lid on our strainer. We're going to go ahead and let these herbs steep for 8 to 10 minutes. And once those are done, we can pull the tea strainer out of the mug and flip over the lids and put the strainer in the lid, and we will sip and enjoy this blend. Some of you might be asking, can I drink this tea every day? The answer is yes. These herbs are generally safe for daily use, especially in food-like tea amounts. But as always, consult your trusted herbalist or care provider if you are pregnant or taking medications, because just because it's an herb, it doesn't mean that it's 100% safe. Some herbs do interact with other pharmaceuticals, and of course I don't know your whole medical history and sensitivity, so make sure to check things out before you try something new. If you would like to learn more about supporting your focus with more than just tea, maybe some nutritional or lifestyle tips, we have them over on the corresponding blog post for this video at growcreatesip.com/blog. Just search for tea for mind and clarity. You could also Google it. It'll probably come up there, and I will also put the link down below. Thanks for joining us on the farm, my friends, and we will catch you in the next video.